Hey there, little ones. Today, we're going to have some fun learning how to count numbers 1 to 10 using our fingers. Let's get started. 1. Hold up one finger and say 1, 2. Now, hold up 2 fingers and say 2, 3. Hold up 3 fingers and say 3, 4. Hold up 4 fingers and say 4, 5. Hold up 5 fingers and say 5, 6. Hold up 6 fingers and say 6, 7. Hold up 7 fingers and say 7, 8. Hold up 8 fingers and say 8, 9. Hold up 9 fingers and say 9, 10. Finally, hold up 10 fingers and say 10. And there you have it, kids. You've just learned how to count numbers 1 to 10 using your fingers. Isn't that fun? Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep counting along with me. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more fun and educational content. See you next time.